In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use dynamic pages in Wix to enhance and streamline your website building experience. Dynamic pages allow you to pull content directly from a database, making it far easier to manage large amounts of content. Let's dive into the process step by step, making sure you have everything you need to know to create this effect seamlessly. First, access your Wix account by navigating to www.wix.com. Once you're there, locate the login button, click it, and then choose the website you'd like to work on from your list of sites. Next, you'll head into the Wix editor. On your dashboard, find and click Edit Site to open the editor. This is where you have complete control over pages and content, allowing for detailed customization and design. Now that you're in the Wix editor, let's create a database collection, which is essential for dynamic pages. The content that populates these pages comes from your database, so click on Content Manager or Database in the left toolbar. When you're there, select Plus New Collection. This is where you'll define what kind of collection you want to create, whether it's products, blog posts, or something else. Be sure to name your collection appropriately, like products or blog posts. You'll also need to add fields that pertain to the type of content you're working with, things like title, image, description, and price, to name a few. Now let's add a dynamic page. Begin by clicking plus add and then choose page followed by dynamic page. You'll then be prompted to connect to data, where you'll select the collection we just created. Wix will automatically generate two things: a dynamic page template showing how all items from the collection will appear, and individual item pages for each entry. Next, it's time to connect elements from your dynamic page to your database. When working on your dynamic page, click on any elements like text, images, or buttons. Then click Connect to Data and select the appropriate field from your database. For instance, connect the title field to a text box or the image field to an image element within the page if you wish to showcase multiple items at once. Consider adding a repeater or gallery to the main page. This step is optional, but can greatly enhance user interaction. Connect the repeater or gallery to your database collection so that visitors can easily navigate to individual dynamic pages for more details. Finally, we come to the fun part: customizing the layout and design of your dynamic page template. You can choose your fonts, colors, customize buttons and spacing, and even design headers and footers. Remember, any changes here will apply across all items in the collection, ensuring a uniform look. When you're happy with how everything looks and functions, it's crucial to preview your site. Click Preview to ensure all dynamic elements work as expected. Test the interaction, like clicking items in a repeater to check they lead to the right pages. Once you're satisfied, click Publish to make your changes live. You'll now have a fully operational site featuring dynamic pages, integrating the latest techniques for an efficient and dynamic user experience.